Assistive technology in a 21st century classroom is all around us. Things as simple as special pencil grips that allow students with muscular, skeletal, or even dexterity issues draw, write, and be a full-fledged member of the 21st century classroom, fulfilling a simple way for a student to express oneself. What truly makes it an assistive technology is the shape of the sides. A typical pencil is either round or hexagonal shaped. The grip, which are in a variety of styles and are for sale on websites such as especialneeds.com. The grips themselves are designed for specific needs based on the student and their individual needs, from weights to even fidget spinners. A piece of technology that is so inexpensive yet so freeing and even liberating for a student. Some are even multi-purpose in allowing students to use household items as well as school items. Here is a brief overview of eSpecial Needs and the different types of pencil grips and holders. The writing claw, for instance, allows a student with some dexterity to grip a pencil. Fidget spinners, new move grips, and other aids that slip right onto your typical pencil. Even going so far as to allowing students outside of the classroom to participate. Universal built handles, which allow for toothbrushes, spoons, forks, and hand aids as well. Another facet of technology that has not only been around for 46 years, but is simple to operate is closed captioning. Many people hear about sponsorships to stations for closed captioning, but often do not realize how useful it can be within their own classroom. From a personal standpoint, I have had several deaf and cochlear implant students. Closed captioning has done wonderful things for those individuals. Closed captioning for visual and auditory impaired students can help represent information in a new medium or format. In a teaching aspect, the closed captioning can be printed as a transcript and used for pacing or even additional lesson ideas. Here, for instance, is a YouTube video with closed captioning attached to it.
That rascal up in front of all these.
By simply clicking on the CC button, we can now watch Mr. Bob Ross talk about what he is painting.
There, so I wanted to share that with you. Okay, a little bit over in here. And once again, with this gesso, we don't make any mistakes. Because if you paint an area too light and you don't like it, all you have to do is take a little of the dark gesso and go back over it. It's no big deal.
The task of making closed captioning is sometimes tedious, but in the long run rewarding and helpful to many fellow educators as well as the hard of hearing or deaf members of society. With everything, of course, associated with technology, there is always something that can go wrong, and speaking from personal experience, always have a backup plan. Creating closed captioning is very simple. There are many useful resources online that can help you navigate on how to make closed captioning for your own videos, including this one I'm showing you. For time, YouTube in particular, and many other video websites, allow you to generate automatically closed captioning. This is not always the best option, as to there are typographical errors in the closed captioning transcript. Thank you for watching.